It will execute 2000 records. And second time when it is executing, it will execute the next 2000 records. So till it is completing, the execute method will keep on executing. And once all this execute method, all the execution is done, when all the records are processed, you will be completing the finish method. You will be coming to the finish method. So finish method, what you will be doing is you can write an email operation. For example, if you want to send an email, for example, to system administrators, if you want to send an email like, okay, I have completed this batch. So this is the batch status update. If you want to send an email, you can do it in the finish method. So you know three methods in the batch apex. So in the batch apex, usually it is done nightly batches. So nightly batches you can schedule. In the batches you can schedule it for any number of time. For example, you can schedule it for, let's say it has to execute. It needs to be executed like every 5 minutes, once in 5 minutes, or once in 10 minutes, or every hour, or every day. So you can define the schedule of the batch, like what time this batch is scheduled to run. So you batch class create பண்றீங்க. So it should be a global. Okay. So normal classes will be public. Yeah. So batch classes it should always be global because you will be querying all the records and all the objects. So the global keyword some other considerations the query எழுதுறீங்க. So the query that you are giving in the start method, it can be dynamic. So you can call this batch apex from the execute anonymous method. So execute anonymous into window. So on the execute anonymous window, you can call this batch apex, and there you can define the query, and you can give the parameters like at what time it should be run. So the parameters you can define. I will show you how it will be done in the execute anonymous window.
What if there are less than that records, less than 2000 records?
That's not an issue. So 2000 records it will be only one batch that gets executed. Directly all the records will be processed in a same batch. So only if it is less than if you want to process let's say 10 records you can process you can use batch apex. So in the query records return out, those many records will be getting processed. So it's even if it is returning 0 records, it will not process anything. So execute method it will say it did not return anything and it will come out of that execution. But governor limits so governor limits 50k is the limit for SOQL query. So SOQL query it can return only 50k records. So 50 records process the batch the normal class so that cannot be used. You should always use the batch apex. So this is the concept of batch apex. So batch apex it's an important thing. So in an interview they will basically ask what are the 3 methods present and what is the use of start, execute and finish method. You can query the batch on the create. So then what you will do is you will be getting the ID of that batch. For example, let's say we are processing 10,000 records. Okay, and this batch will be there will be 5 batches that will be getting created. So each of the batch will be created and then it will have the ID. Okay, so if you want the 5 batches, so 5 batch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first batch 2k records let's say only 1k got processed. After the 1k records failure, right? So due to